Hello YouTube, excuse my wet hair and glowy look. I just got out of the shower, but I really wanted to do this video real quick. So today I'm going to unbox my Vimble 2. It just arrived in the mail and I'm going to do a quick review of it. Let's get into it. Let's see here. Okay. So here we got a nice styrofoam box, but it's very firm and sturdy. And oh, there's like user manuals and warranty card. Focus. It won't focus. Okay. So there's that. And we are going to open this baby up. Whew. It looks like this. Okay. What's this? Oh, it's the wrist strap and the cable, so you can charge this. So you can charge this gimbal and use it to charge your phone while you're filming. So that's what that is for. And the cable to charge the gimbal. Okay. And what's cool about this gimbal is that the tripod attachment comes with it. Why will it not focus? Okay. Sorry if this video is out of focus. My camera is refusing to focus, but yeah. The 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 tripod attachment comes with it, so you can use it as a tripod if you need. I am very sweaty because I had to turn off the fan because A, it was noisy, and B, I needed to plug in the lighting, and I have a very limited number of power outlets here. So I am going to pop in my smartphone like so. Yeah. I think and you can like lock it, and then like even if you twist this, it won't pan, and then if you let it go, you can like pan it. So that's very useful. And they have their own app, so I'm gonna check out the app. It does say that this was made for an iPhone, and while it does kind of work for Android phones, it's not as great. So I'm gonna see if that's true. So you can use this button to record. And what's cool about this is it has like face following. So like the face following doesn't work as well as I've seen on an iPhone review, so I guess it's true that it doesn't work as well on iPhone, but kind of works. Meh. I'm filming my kitchen, and like, you see this, like, I'm shaking this a lot that the footage is like fairly stable. My kitchen's dirty, I need to clean it. And you can zoom with this button. If you hold it up, it'll zoom in, and if you hold it down, then it'll zoom out. So you can use this to pan and tilt. So there's a filter option in this app, and there's beauty function that like smooth out your skin. I like that. I'm gonna try out the tripod attachment. It has that 1/4 inch thing. Nothing special here, just a tripod. And the cool thing about this is it pops out, so you can use it like a selfie stick. So while the face follow function didn't work as well as I hoped, everything else works very well. This is exactly what I wanted. The face follow, a little bummed out, but I can follow the face myself, so that's not going to be that big of a deal. So I'm very satisfied with this product. That's it for this video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.